If you wake up tired every single morning, even after 8 hours of sleep, it's not stress, it's not your age, it's your testosterone quietly fading away. I'm Dr. Umidjon Shoyusupov, endocrinologist. Every year I help thousands of women bring back their energy, mood, and confidence. And today I'll show you the one reason behind that constant fatigue and how to reverse it. Testosterone is the hormone that powers your mitochondria, the tiny engines inside every cell that create energy. When its level drops, your body slows down, even if you rest. In 2019, the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism published a study from the University of Toronto. 312 women with chronic fatigue received physiologic testosterone therapy. After 8 weeks, 78% of them reported higher energy, better mood, and deeper sleep. So today, 5 simple steps to restart your energy naturally. Symptom of the day: chronic fatigue. When your body feels heavy, your mind foggy, and your heart whispers, "I can't," this isn't laziness. This is low testosterone. Testosterone triggers oxygen delivery and ATP production, the fuel for every movement, every thought. Without it, even breathing feels shallow. In 2021, the European Journal of Endocrinology followed 268 women with low testosterone. After 12 weeks of gentle hormonal restoration, their energy rose by 37% and mental focus improved by 22%. No training, no diet changes, just hormonal balance. But no hormone can work if your body lacks the building material. And that starts with one food many women still avoid. Product of the day: avocado. Most women cut fats to stay slim, but your hormones are made of fat. Without it, your body cannot even produce testosterone. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, the raw materials for hormone synthesis in the adrenal glands and ovaries. In 2018, the Harvard School of Public Health observed 4,231 women for 2 years. Those who ate avocado or olive oil daily had free testosterone 11% higher than those on low-fat diets. But even perfect nutrition means nothing if your muscles stay asleep, because movement is the spark that tells your hormones, "Wake up." Activity of the day: morning walk, forget the gym. Your hormones don't care about six-packs, they care about oxygen. A simple 30-minute morning walk activates mitochondria and boosts sensitivity of hormone receptors. In 2020, Frontiers in Endocrinology published a study from Kyoto University. 132 women walked 40 minutes, 5 days a week. After 8 weeks, testosterone rose by 18%, while fatigue and depression dropped by 35%. Researchers found increased activity of enzyme CYP17A1, responsible for androgen synthesis. But even that spark fades if your body lacks one key nutrient, the switch that allows testosterone to work. Supplement of the day: vitamin D. Vitamin D is not just about bones, it's your hormonal switch. It activates the enzyme that turns cholesterol into testosterone and makes receptors more sensitive. In 2017, hormone and metabolic research studied 200 women with vitamin D deficiency. After 12 weeks of taking 4,000 international units per day, testosterone increased by 23%. Mood and sleep improved significantly, but one habit can erase all this progress. And most women repeat it every single night. Trap of the day: lack of sleep. You can't fix hormones if you fight your body every night. Sleep deprivation raises cortisol and blocks the release of luteinizing hormone, the signal that tells your ovaries to make testosterone. Every missing hour cuts about 10% of your hormone. In 2015, the Journal of the American Medical Association reported a study from the University of Chicago. 10 healthy women slept only 5 hours per night for 1 week. Their testosterone dropped by 18%, mood fell by 21%, and insulin sensitivity worsened by 27%. 3 nights of recovery partially reversed the damage. Your hormone heals when you sleep, not when you push harder. The final message: your fatigue is not who you are. It's your hormone whispering for help. Restore your sleep, eat healthy fats, move, and get your sunshine back. You're not broken. You're just unbalanced. Tomorrow, I'll show you one simple morning ritual that wakes up your hormone in less than 5 minutes. Share this video with every woman who says, "I'm always tired." She needs to know it's not her fault. It's her hormone.